Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another walk around video here at Lakewood Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at this one-owner accident-free 2020 Kia Sorento EX Plus. This all-wheel drive SUV keeps you on your toes with features such as 19-inch wheels, keyless entry, a blind spot monitor, and a power tailgate for everyday convenience. Taking a look inside, heated leather seats with power adjustable seating ensure you stay comfortable. Other great features include memory seating, power adjustable mirrors, forward collision avoidance, lane keep assist, automatic headlights, a push to start button, park assist, and a panoramic sunroof. On your heated steering wheel, you will locate your hands-free and audio controls on the left side, and your display and cruise controls on the right side. Heated second row seats and a foldable third row ensure your passengers never experience discomfort. Up front houses an 8-inch touchscreen that displays the navigation system and the 360-degree camera. Below you will find your automatic dual-zone climate controls with your heated steering wheel and seat controls. Enjoy Bluetooth connectivity, Apple Carplay, or Android Auto through the premium Harmon Kardon sound system. Taking a look under the hood, and there you will find a 3.3-liter V6 gas engine producing 290 horsepower and 252 foot-pounds of torque. Become the next owner of this sleek 2020 Kia Sorento EX Plus, only at Lakewood Chevrolet.